Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo 64 on an electric guitar. First, you'll need to connect your guitar to a computer using an audio interface, ensuring a clean signal. Next, install a reliable Nintendo 64 emulator on your computer. This setup allows your guitar to act as a unique input device. We'll then delve into the software that translates your musical input into game commands, opening up a completely new way to experience classic N64 titles. It's a creative and technical challenge. To begin, connect your electric guitar to your computer. You'll need an audio interface, like a USB audio interface, to convert the analog guitar signal into a digital one your computer can understand. Plug your guitar into the interface using a standard 1/4-inch instrument cable. Make sure your computer's audio settings recognize the interface as the input device. This crucial first step establishes the physical link between your instrument and the digital world of Nintendo 64 emulation. Now for the software magic. You'll need a program that can interpret your guitar's audio input and translate it into keyboard or gamepad commands. Software like MIDI guitar converters or custom scripting tools can achieve this. Assign specific notes, chords, or even strumming patterns to N64 buttons such as A, B, Z, and the D-pad. Careful calibration of input sensitivity is key to ensuring your guitar actions accurately trigger in-game responses, making gameplay fluid. With everything set up, it's time to play. This unique method requires practice to develop new muscle memory for controlling games with your guitar. Experiment with different note assignments and strumming techniques to find what works best for various games. Pay attention to latency settings within your audio interface and emulator to minimize delay between your guitar input and on-screen action. Enjoy rediscovering classic Nintendo 64 titles in this truly unconventional and musical way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.